मुतासिन की बहाली के लिए डोनर्स खिताब कर रहे हैं, जिसमें पाकिस्तान भी मौजूद है। और अब अहसन इकबाल खिताब करेंगे।
Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen.
Microphone, please, for His Excellency.
Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you all for coming here today to express solidarity with the people of Pakistan who have experienced worst climate disaster of recent times. Pakistan has faced floods in 2022, but as one of the most vulnerable countries to climate disasters, we face range of disasters that we experienced during 2022, starting with very high temperatures, forest fires, droughts, culminating into unprecedented floods within a short span of 4 months. Pakistan's disasters like torrential floods, glacial lake outburst flood, and just to mention that Pakistan has the highest snow after North Pole and South Pole in its northern areas, which is at the danger of melting and causing glacial lake outburst floodings. We face droughts, heat waves, earthquakes, and during this year, as I said, we have experienced almost all of them. The heat wave of 2022 was the hottest in 61 years. So I can safely say that Pakistan is in the eye of climate change storm. Disasters return period average has become shorter from 56 years in 1929 to only 5 to 6 years in 2005. So that shows that the frequency of disasters is increasing at a rapid pace. The horror of our coming era will be born out of heat, fire, water, and snow. Ladies and gentlemen, all these disasters have impacted our economy in a very serious manner. Huge economic losses due to damage of infrastructure and loss of crops, significant losses in GDP, higher poverty rates, great risk of preventable diseases, especially to most vulnerable segments, women, children, and elderly, unprecedented recovery and reconstruction needs, degradation of ecosystem, degradation of environment and climate, job loss and disruption. Women and girls are at risk of gender-based violence and child marriage, degradation of environment and climate, hyper-poverty and hyper-malnutrition. The worst part of the floods in 2022 was that it was not only a climate disaster, but it also turned into a human tragedy as it hit the 20 poorest districts of Pakistan. So those people who were already poor, who were already malnourished, have been thrown into cycle of hyper-poverty and hyper-malnutrition. Next, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2022 floods were of a scale never seen before. 33 million people in different parts of Pakistan were affected. More than 1,700 have lost their lives, and 1/3 of them are children, and more than 8 million are displaced. And the two provinces, Sindh and Balochistan, have been almost completely devastated. But the other provinces, Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and our special regions in the north, have also been significantly impacted, but they continue to be most vulnerable to future disasters. Next. With the help of our development partners, we have also been able to identify what were the damages and losses due to these floods. We are very grateful to World Bank, Asian Development Bank, European Union, UN and its agencies and other development partners for working as a team.
जिनीवा में इस वक्त वफाकी वज़ीर मनसूबाबंदी अहसन इकबाल डोनर कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
2022 बहुत सारे तोहफे भी देखे गया पाकिस्तान की आवाम को। पाकिस्तान की आवाम को एक तोहफा ये दिया कि आवाम को पता चल गया कि पाकिस्तान का मीडिया क्या है।
साल 2022 में सबसे ज्यादा देखे जाने वाला चैनल बोल न्यूज रहा नंबर 1।
हमने बहुत सारे शोज और ट्रांसमिशंस की, पूरा साल मुसलसल जदोजहद में निकल गया कि ये वोट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस के पीछे कौन लोग थे।
तोड़े रेटिंग के सभी रिकॉर्ड। सोशल मीडिया पर भी सबसे ज्यादा तेजी से 2.4 बिलियन व्यूज का संगे मील अबूर किया। एंकर्स को भी आवाम में सबसे ज्यादा मकबूलियत मिली और सोशल मीडिया पर भी बोल रहा सब पर भारी।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।